Hello, Dr. Awitan here. Join the cryptocurrency boom with Arto Bitcoin. Arto Bitcoin is the most stable digital currency in the world based on MLM. Digital currency is easy to trade and easy to use in everyday life. We change everyone's lives by educating how to transfer money and how to make payments by using a mobile device or laptop. Arto Bitcoin is a registered coin in Ethereum platform, uses blockchain, and has pre-mined coins. The target of Arto Bitcoin is the more than 95% of the masses, joining together against unfair rulings and regulations. It is the right time and the right place to use the well-known phrase, power of the people. The number of coins is limited to 188,188,888 coins. It will be a public decentralized coin as soon as the pre-sales are finished, expected to last 3 to 4 months. It is also an extra demand which no other coin have at the moment because of the mandatory $28 monthly coin purchase. The company is paying commissions for promoting the coin. According to calculations, history, the number of available R2B coins, market analysis, and the help of the huge amount of marketing, it is expected that R2B coin will reach $200 within 3 months after the start of trading and will be among top 10 currencies in 1 to 1.5 years. You can use credit card or debit card. The company accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, bank transfer, and Bitcoin. To sign up, click on my link below. Pay the initial $28, then choose which package you want to buy. This is Dr. Awitan. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye now.